Hello, my dear students. Today we will talk about the law of mass action. Let us read the definition first. Law of mass action. It states that the rate at which a substance reacts is proportional to its active mass or molar concentration, and the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of active masses, each raised to the power equal to its stoichiometric coefficients. Law of mass action is about the rate of a chemical reaction, and the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to its active mass. ये एक्टिव मास क्या होता है? सपोज एक बीकर में या बुकेट में 1 लीटर वाटर है और एक ट्रफ में भी 1 लीटर वाटर है. अगर बीकर और ट्रफ दोनों को सनलाइट में रखा जाए, दोनों में 1 लीटर वाटर है. In trough, more water molecules are exposed to sunlight in comparison to the water molecules in beaker. So the rate of evaporation is more in trough than in beaker. This is the example of active mass. Here more water molecules are exposed to sunlight as compared to the water molecules in beaker. Now let us consider an example. Let A moles of reactant A react with B moles of reactant B to produce C moles of product C and D moles of product D. Let us calculate the rate of this reaction according to law of mass action. According to law of mass action, rate of this reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant A raised to the power of its stoichiometric coefficient, that is small a, multiplied by concentration of reactant B raised to the power of its stoichiometric coefficient, that is small b. This notation denotes the molar concentration of reactant A. Similarly, this notation will denote the molar concentration of reactant B. If we remove the proportionality sign, then we introduce a constant K, where K is called rate constant. This is law of mass action.